How to track technician time without micromanaging. Monitor your technicians' productivity and workload more efficiently. Here's how to track technician time without micromanaging. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. 3 steps for stress-free technician time tracking. How your technicians manage their time to resolve issues and complete assigned tasks can greatly impact your MSP's operational efficiency and client satisfaction. Thus, tracking technician time and workload visibility has become essential. However, if implemented poorly, it can be a stressful experience for both the tracker and the technician. Fortunately, it doesn't have to be a worrisome experience, and all it takes are 3 easy steps. Reframe time tracking. The first step is to position time tracking as a tool for visibility and improvement rather than employee surveillance. The primary goal of time tracking is to understand the workloads of each technician, identify operational bottlenecks, and improve resource planning. It should never feel like minute-by-minute surveillance or micromanagement. Clearly communicate this purpose and explain how accurate time tracking supports fair billing, workload balancing, and smarter staffing decisions. Encourage flexible logging in 15 to 30-minute blocks instead of minute-by-minute breakdowns. Focus on operational outcomes like mean time to resolution, or MTTR, and first call resolution rates instead of simply tracking total hours logged. Time tracking shouldn't be a burden. Rather, it should be seen as a basis for improvement. Automate time logging with non-invasive tools. The next step is to automate time tracking to eliminate the need for manual logging. Use scripting tools like PowerShell or leverage PSA tools like ConnectWise, Synchro, or Halo PSA. For instance, you can use a PowerShell script to send non-intrusive reminders for technicians to complete their time logs. Improve your framework through feedback. Finally, hold regular sessions with your technicians to provide objective and fair feedback. Conduct weekly reviews detailing missing entries, inconsistent patterns, and over or under reporting. Hold quarterly sessions for open dialogue, suggestions, and feedback. Set and evaluate key performance indicators and metrics to improve workflows and adjust task allocations. Tracking technician time doesn't have to feel invasive. When implemented correctly, it helps improve operational efficiency, transparency, and workload balance across your MSP. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to track technician time without micromanaging, linked in the description below.